हेलो चिल्ड्रन। नमस्ते। आप सब कैसे हो? ओके, I can understand that you didn't understood what I have just spoke now. Namaste means vanakkam. As we say hi, hello, like that, vanakkam means namaste means vanakkam. Then aap kaise ho? That means how are you? Okay, I know you are all fine. So in today's class, we will learn our next two set of swar, that is I and O. I and O. So now let's see the first swar I, how to write and pronounce it. So first one I. This is the way you have to write the swar I. Okay, so I we denote in English as A-I-I and the Tamil letter I. Okay, right? It just similarly as A only, but one small different, that is this symbol. So now I will show you how to write this, how to draw the symbol, and let us practice again how to write the A as well as I. See here, for A and I both, first what we have to do that, first you have to draw one straight line. So the down part, that is the ending point of the straight line, you have to draw one slanting line. Okay, then one small line again, and one again slanting line, small slanting line which doesn't touch the first slanting line. Then upper line, that is sleeping line is made. Then the symbol, see here, one round like it will come like this and straightly going to this, touching the sleeping line. Okay, so this is the swar I. Now let's see step by step. To understand it more better, let's write in practice. I will show you step by step. So first step, okay, so this is the second step. First step, one straight line. Second step, straight line, and then one slanting line. Okay, third step, one extra line is there, right? Fourth step, yeah, one straight line, slanting line. Nearby one again straight line, slanting line which doesn't touch the first slanting line. Then the fifth point, sleeping line. So this is the fifth one. So this is the swar A, isn't it? So after A, one more step is there which makes the A letter as I. See here. This is my A and I am using one symbol here. So this is the sixth step, final step to write the swar I. Now let's see, by using the swar I, which word we can write. Okay, so we know A say ek we know. Next is I. So I say ainak. See here, this is swar I. Okay, I say ainak. This is I, na, and ka. So I'm extending this line. I, na, ka. So we denote I as AI in English, right? I, nak. Ainak. Okay, so now to understand more better, I have wrote in English also. Okay, so ainak. Right, ainak means spectacles. Mugu kannadi, as we know, so spectacles. Right. So let me draw a small picture of ainak. Right. So I say ainak. I say ainak. Okay. Now let's see the second swar O. That is all. It's also very much easy to write the swar O, but with the same, it will be just similar to I. What now? Let's see what makes the similarity. See, the swar O, it looks like similarly as A only. See here, for A, this is A, right? This one A. So by using this sleeping line, it fully looks like A only. But one small change is there which makes the A as O. So as we use in I, that same symbol will come here. Okay. So this is the swar O. So in English we call it as O, and in Tamil as the letter O. Right? So now let's see by step how to write the swar O. So one curve as usual, then two curves, yeah, then two curves, in between one line, then two curves, one line, in between one line, one straight line, then one line, two line, then curves, line, two line, sleeping line, and finally the symbol. So this is the swar O. O. Okay. Now let's see by using the swar O, which word we can write. So this is the swar O. So O say Okhali. O say Okhali. See how to write Okhali. O. This is the Vyanjan. Kha. Li. Okhali. I'm extending that line. Okhali. See? O. Kha. Li. Okhali. So to understand it more better, I have written in English also. See? O. Kha. Li. Okhali. Okhali means mortar. See? I'll show you one picture. So by this you can understand that. Okay, mortar. So Okhali means mortar. So O say Okhali, and before that one I say Ainag. So till that, what and all we have learnt is that A say Anar, A say Am, E say Imali, E say Eek, then U say Ullu, U say Un, Ri say Rishi, A say Ek, I say Ainag, and O say Okhali. I hope you will understand it very well. Thank you.